In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and correct a payment that has already been deposited in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing finances for a small business or keeping track of personal expenses, you may occasionally need to correct a payment you've deposited. Fortunately, QuickBooks Online offers a straightforward way to make these adjustments, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Transactions section, which you'll find on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This area is essentially the hub for managing all your financial records, so you're likely to spend a lot of time here ensuring everything is in order. Once you're in the Transactions section, locate the specific transaction you want to correct. It's important to make sure you're choosing the right one, so take a moment to double-check the payment details to avoid any confusion. After identifying the transaction, you'll want to click on it to bring up more options. Here, you'll see different actions available to you, and what you're looking for is the Undo option. Clicking Undo will reverse the transaction, moving it back into the For Review tab. This action effectively allows you to edit the payment details before submitting it once again. Once undone, head over to the For Review tab. This tab acts like a temporary holding area for transactions that need your attention, especially those that require adjustments before being finalized. Here, you can click on the transaction again, and this time, you're free to edit its details to reflect correct information. Whether it's adjusting the payment amount, changing the payment date, or correcting who the payment was from or what it was for. QuickBooks Online provides flexibility to ensure the transaction is accurately documented. And just like that, you've successfully edited and corrected a deposited payment in QuickBooks Online. Remember, making these corrections allows your records to stay accurate and reliable, which is crucial for maintaining good financial health, whether on a personal level or for your business operations. Being able to efficiently handle these situations will save you time and prevent potential headaches down the line. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope this guide has helped simplify the process of editing a deposited payment in QuickBooks Online. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing finances with ease. From everyone here, until next time, keep your finances in great shape and happy bookkeeping.